Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of two popular Indian travel credit cards, the Scapia credit card and the Atlas credit card. Are you looking to travel smarter in 2025 without burning a hole in your pocket? Well, travel credit cards have become more than just a fancy swipe. They're your ticket to lounge access, air miles, hotel discounts and more. So let's review these two cards to see what they offer. We'll start with the Scapia credit card. It was launched in partnership with Federal Bank. It's a relatively new entrant designed specifically with the modern Indian traveler in mind. What makes it stand out from traditional travel cards is its blend of tech savviness, instant rewards, and complete fee freedom. It's crafted for people who don't want the burden of annual fees, enjoy seamless digital onboarding, and are looking to earn rewards not just on travel, but on everyday spending. On the other hand, the Axis Bank Atlas credit card is a premium offering that targets serious globetrotters. This card operates on a tier-based reward system and comes with exclusive travel benefits. It's not just about spending. It's about growing your reward potential the more you use the card. It's one of those few cards who allow you to accumulate Axis Edge miles, which can be redeemed for flights and hotels, giving it a powerful edge if you travel frequently. So, while Scapia focuses on zero fees and simplicity, Atlas is all about premium privileges and loyalty-based rewards. Now let's get into the real deal by comparing the main features of both cards. The Scapia credit card features: it's a lifetime free card, which means no joining fee, no annual fee ever. Instant rewards: you earn up to 10% reward on every eligible online and offline spend. Flat 1% rewards: you get this benefit on all other spends. Instant redemption on flight, hotels and buses on the Scapia app at 1 reward, and that equals to 1 Scapia coin. Zero forex markup. Yes, you heard that right. You can travel internationally without paying those annoying 3.5% extra fees. International lounge access: 1 complimentary airport lounge access per quarter in India. Digital first experience: fully app managed with instant issuance and spend tracking. And smart EMI feature, where large transactions can be converted into easy EMIs within seconds. How about the Atlas credit card by Axis Bank? The joining fee is on the high side. It requires 5,000 rupees plus GST. You earn 5 edge miles per 100 rupees spent on travel and 2 edge miles on all other spends. It's a tiered system, 3 reward tiers. There's the silver tier, there's the gold tier, and there's a platinum tier. These are all based on your annual spend, offering increased benefits as you move up. Complimentary lounge access: you get up to 12 international and domestic lounge visits annually. Hotel and travel discounts: discounts on hotel and flight bookings through Axis Travel Edge portal. Forex markup: you get 2% on international transactions, which is lower than usual but not zero. Insurance and concierge services: you get travel insurance, lost baggage cover and concierge included. Now let us talk about the pricing of these cards. Pricing is one of the most crucial points. So for the Scapia card, the joining fee, as earlier mentioned, is 0. There's an annual fee of 0 as well. So you don't pay to join and you don't pay to own the card. Foreign markup fee is also 0. And there's interest rate on EMIs, which depends on the transactions. How about for Axis Bank? The standard joining fee is 5,000 rupees. The renewal fee is also 5,000 rupees, but can be waived if you spend 7.5 lakhs annually. There's a foreign markup fee of 2% and interest rate on outstanding about 3.6% per month. Now, what are the pros and cons of using these cards? First, the pros. Scapia credit card: absolutely no fees, it is lifetime free. 0 foreign currency markup. Digital first card, very easy to manage via the app. Generous rewards on both travel and daily expenses, and is great for millennials and digital nomads. How about the pros of Atlas credit card? Premium perks, especially for frequent travelers. Tier-based reward system that can be very lucrative at higher tiers. It has access to both international and domestic lounges. And Edge Miles have great value when they are redeemed for flights and hotels. How about the cons? For Scapia, lounge access is limited, just one per quarter. Rewards are mostly tied to using the Scapia app. Not ideal for ultra-frequent international flyers who want high-end benefits. And the cons of using the Atlas credit card? The annual fee is on the high side, and you need to spend a lot to really unlock its value. So let's bring it all together. Which one is better? Well, it's this simple. If you're looking for value without cost, you go with Scapia. But if you're chasing premium benefits and long-term loyalty rewards, then pick the Atlas. It really comes down to your travel style and spending power. And that's it on the comparison between Scapia and Atlas credit card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Regalia credit card, Industry Legends credit card, and American Express Platinum Travel card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.